This is the home page. This is the switch function. This is the function selection of the left pressing seat. Selecting this is bottom pressing. Select the switch function. Be sure to press save. Bottom pressing. Selecting this is bottom pressing and front and rear pressing. This is called the all sides pressing mode. This is the tilted pressing pull mode. This is the pressure pull upright mode. Low pressure mode. It's low pressure mode. This is the first stage high pressing mode. This is the dual stage pressing mode. It means first low pressure and then high pressure. Is this the timer setting for each movement? Timer function key. This is the first stage pressurization timer. This is the second stage pressurization timer. This is the side pressing timer. This is the front and rear pressing timer. This is the front and rear band return timer. This is the side pressing return timer. This is the pressing pull tilt timer. This is the pressing pull tilt back timer. Pressing seat lowering timer after each action return. The function key for pressure setting. This is the left side. This is the side pressure setting. This is the front and rear pressing pressure setting. This is the low pressure setting of the pressing seat. The high pressure setting for pressing seat lifting. This is the forced output function key. This is what we call maintenance. It needs to be matched with a key switch to set the manual setting mode. This is the side pressing force pressing. Hold to force side pressing. This is the forced retraction of the side pressing. This is the front and rear forced pressing. This is the front and rear forced retraction. This is the pressing seat forced rise. This switch function key must be in the pressing pull upright state to function. This is the pressing pull upright. This is the pressing pull tilted. This is the pressing seat rising. This is the pressing seat lowering. This is the pressure seat high pressure rise. This is the I/O function, which is input and output detection. To match this key, it must be in the setting mode. In the setting mode, it's for switch detection. If it's a button switch, this X3, when you press it, X3 will light up. And it will turn off when released. X4 is the button switch on the left. The second one, press it to light up. This is a switch detection.